Sicily is one of the warmest places in Europe. So how can it produce some of Italy's freshest wines? Most of Sicily gets less than 21 inches of rain per year, which is close to the bare minimum for vines to survive. It can also easily reach upwards of 104 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer. Let's figure out the secret behind what makes Sicily's wines so fresh and elegant. Sicily's terroir is very mountainous, and growing grapes at higher elevations leads to much cooler temperatures. That's because for every 328 feet in elevation, the temperature drops 1 degree Fahrenheit. This is called average lapse. For example, vineyards on Mount Etna are planted at 1,000 to 4,000 feet, which means temperature is often 3 to 12 degrees cooler than at sea level. The result? Super fresh red and white wines from Etna DOC. The other ace that Sicily has up its sleeves are cool soils. Contrary to popular belief, most of the soils in Sicily are not volcanic. The main type of soil found here, which helps ensure the soils are cool, is calcium carbonate, aka chalk. Many of these chalky limestone soils reflect sunlight and heat and hold water well, a bit like a sponge, keeping the vines cool. These soils tend to produce lighter styles of wine, both white and red, with paler colors, high levels of acidity, and increased aromatics, leading to elegant, fresh wines. In Vittoria DOC, where your next wine is from, the soils are predominantly red sands called terra rossa, but underneath lies a layer of tufa, which is made of calcium carbonate. This holds water well and keeps the vines and grapes cool. The sand above the tufa increases floral aromas, leading to a super fresh and aromatic combination. Frappato, an indigenous grape variety, is pretty much only found in southern Sicily and is the most delicate of Sicily's reds. It's a very rare grape, with under 2,000 acres planted worldwide. It loves sandy terra rossa soils in Vittoria and delivers perfumed aromas of sour cherry, raspberry, and flowers. Get ready to experience a rare 100% Frappato with Madeleine made by the iconic Sicilian producer Planeta, coming from Vittoria DOC.
Hello again! We have the Planeta Frappato 2021 vintage from Sicily. Let's take a look at that color. It is, whoa, pale garnet. On the nose, rich strawberry sauce, dried cranberry, peony flower, orange peel, a little minerality like clay dust, and a floral characteristic like sweet rose. Let's give it a taste. Wow, this is a light-bodied red wine. I put it at medium light. The tannin is also medium light. We get tons of floral notes on the palate, including this hibiscus tea kind of note. Super light body, finishes almost like dried fruit, and that tea leaf bitterness. I would serve this wine slightly chilled, and I would love to serve it with orange chicken or sweet and sour tofu. If you want to make this wine taste a little fruitier, add a little bit of fresh green herbs to your dish and it'll bring out that fruitiness in this wine. Want to learn more about wine while you taste it? Check out Wine Folly Club. This monthly tasting group wine delivery experience has you covered. We will discuss incredible wines from incredible regions around the world with myself and my cadre of pros, with Colina Marshall, our head curator, and Christine Marsilio, a master of wine, our head of wine education. I'm excited to see you in our next tasting.